it's nice to just squeeze into the train and have your bag to the side and not have your bag on your back because, you know, pickpocket.
Attenzione, pickpocket!
Hey guys, the last time I did an unboxing video was with my mini Sage Green's How Far bag, which I adore ever so much. This unboxing will be for the Longchamp Le Pilage. I know my American accent butchered the heck out of the name just now, but that is the bag that I'll be unboxing. I already have the same bag in a different color. I have it in navy and it's a size medium, but that said, I am a corporate girly, and not only that, I am a part-time student, so I just need a bag that can hold a bit more. My bag has a hole on every corner, so that's another reason why I have decided to just retire this bag from work. My supervisor did tell me that the Longchamp company, they will repair the corners of your bag as long as it's no bigger than the size of a pencil, but to be honest with you, I don't even know if I have it in me. This bag is so old now. It's 9 years old. She's seen a lot of things, and I just think it's time to retire her. Here she is. I love the presentation. So with my bag, it comes with this Ziploc. If I'm traveling and I want to fold her and put her in my suitcase, I can keep her in this plastic bag. I did want to do a quick length comparison. In my opinion, they're a bit similar in size, but as you can see, the black overextends just a little bit, and I think that'll give me just the right amount of space that I need in this bag. So this bag is quite shapeless. I bought this bag insert from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. Based on the website description, I believe I got a large, and I feel like this would be really good to hook my keys onto the bag. Have my work laptop, my notebook for work, which is missing its pen, my mouse pad with mouse, my pencil case. Hypothetically, when I'm in school, I'll most likely use this notebook, my toiletry bag, my wallet, okay, so she's giving heavy, but she's giving shape. She's giving shape, and I definitely think the bag insert helped a lot. I really wanted to use a bag insert because this is the larger size, and the medium size that I have now, it would lose its shape at times. And I like the pointy look. I know some people like the slouchy look, but I like the kind of shape that the bag is giving to itself. This is what the bag insert with all of my stuff looks like outside of the bag. As you can see, it holds quite a few things. So in terms of weight distribution, I'm not sure if I will use her all the time for school. Maybe I will. I'm definitely going to try to downsize, but the weight isn't that bad. I don't have a scale to tell you how much my bag weighs, but it's not that bad. I definitely see myself taking out my planner because I can downsize that, and my pencil case. I have a bunch of stationery items because I'm a schoolgirl, so I need to sometimes take notes. So I'm not sure if I'll downsize on the pencil case, but definitely can downsize on the planner by just not bringing it with me everywhere I go. I know that the bag came with this insert, but I have a toiletry bag here. This is where I keep my headphones and my mirror and chapstick and stuff like that. This makes sense, so when I need to change my bag, I can just take this out and go. She fits a lot of things, and I'm not mad at it. I know for a fact I can fit an umbrella in here if I want to. This is what it's giving on me. You can't really see me. You guys know that I'm pretty tall. The bag comes to a little bit below my waist, but that's okay. That doesn't bother me. The bag is going to make me really happy because I've had her sister over here for 9 years and she held up, she did what she needed to do. I should probably get rid of her, but I don't think I will, mainly because it's not like there's a huge hole at the bottom of this bag. I might just use this for like the gym or something like that. The reason why I just wanted another Longchamp is that I've had a few work bags. I have a North Face, which I use because I am a part-time student, but I noticed I gravitate towards the Longchamp bag. I just feel like it's very versatile, it's very classy, and I like that it is very durable. As I mentioned before, I've had the navy version for 9 years, and something that I really like about this bag is that it is water resistant. So your items won't get soaked when it's raining. When you have a shoulder bag and you take public transportation, it's nice to just squeeze into the train and have your bag to the side and not have your bag on your back because, you know, pickpocket.
Attenzione, pickpocket!
People might take a shit. That hasn't happened to me before. I'm not trying to fearmonger, but it's a very realistic thing that can happen. So I just rather not deal with that at this point in my life. And then sometimes I don't want to bring a backpack with me. Sometimes I just want to bring a shoulder bag. It looks better with the outfits that I'm wearing to work. And then just for update's sake, this is the knapsack. The reason why I definitely liked using this bag was because 1, a slot for my water bottle, 2, just better for your back. Better for your back. And I was taking 2 laptops at the time. So I liked that it definitely had a laptop insert. But that said, I just noticed a lot of the times I would end up gravitating towards my shoulder bag. I'm not sure if I will use the knapsack this year, mainly because when I was carrying 2 laptops with me, I was taking statistics. Then I also took economics. So I really needed to have my work laptop and then just my MacBook in case I needed to catch up on anything for work, after school, or just my MacBook so I could do my school stuff that I needed to do. But that said, I'm digging her. I'm really happy with my purchase, and I think she's going to keep me very happy. I mean, her medium counterpart kept me happy for 9 years, and I took that bag with me everywhere, to the airport, to school, to work. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I was just overall happy to do another unboxing video with you all. I will catch you in the next one.